Hi there, I'm John Shields. How are you doing? We're trying to raise a little bit of money here to help our common table keep going and doing the culinary scholarships that we've been doing. We have like 10 kids in. We want to bring more on and also provide more content to kind of educate everyone in the Chesapeake region. We were fortunate to start Chesapeake Farm and Beta Table with Harford County Public Library. You can go to hcplonline.org and see some of the shows that we did before. You can also see those on our commontable.org. And we also started a really cool thing called Chesapeake Bites, just little snippets of ideas, of recipes, and all the best of the Chesapeake. So if you can do it, and it is my birthday coming up, and I would love this for my birthday, if you could do a little contribution to help us keep going and help us do all the important work we're trying to do, I would love it. Thanks so much.